Hi team, welcome to my lean improvement of today. I will say it is a very specific and quick lean improvement, but it helped me a lot. The situation I was at is that we worked on several zoning proposals for a phase that we had to do based on the production rates and the amount of tiebacks that we had. So I started mapping them out here in Miro because it was very visual. I was able to move the zones and the shapes very quickly. But since it was based on production rates, I had to do like a two-step process. You can see that here I have a lot of small notes with actual amount of tiebacks. So the first part I did here, well, it was like a bit of back and forth. I did a part here looking at it visually, and I had to do the second part using Excel to actually do the calculations and get durations based on those zones and make sure they matched with what we wanted. It was a process that worked, but it was a bit tedious. You can see we ran several scenarios using this not so practical process because it did work, but it was um, not the best process. And it also left a bit of space for human error because we had to do a lot of back and forth. We had to do some other proposals, and the quick change that I did was I combined the two in an Excel uh, file. So you can see this is what we're using now. Uh, I still have the plan view, but you can see it now includes like all the specific tiebacks I have on each side. So right now the zones are counting those exactly. Whenever I change zones, I can just change the space that it is grabbing, and I will always have the exact count. And it's also much faster for me to not having to do the back and forth. So it is a very rudimentary Excel, but it was something that took me like maybe 5 or 10 minutes to format simply. And we've done several scenarios with it, and it has proven to be much faster for me. Yeah, it's a quick improvement, but a useful one. Thank you.